Multiplication of fractions. What do we mean by multiplication of fractions? So there can be various things, various options we will try. First, understand what is a rectangle. Rectangle has length and breadth. If you have to find length and the area of the rectangle, you just have to multiply length and breadth. Okay. So if 7 is the length and 4 is the breadth, you can easily find out because these are whole numbers. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 square unit, centimeter square, is your area. How about something different? Like the length is now 7.5. The breadth is 3.5. 7.5 is what? 7 2s are 14 plus 15. 15 by 2. And 3.5 is what? 3 2s are 6 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2. How to multiply them? The simplest way is to multiply. Whatever we will discuss, the eventual thing will be you have to multiply numerator by numerator, you have to multiply denominator by denominator. So this is 15 into 7 by 4. 15 into 7 by 4. Right? And this is the answer. Let us learn. So we just have to learn that multiplication of a fraction by a whole number will start, then we'll go a step ahead. How to understand this? We are doing what? If this is a circle, if this is my 1, this part is 1 by 4, okay, because there are 4 equal parts. This is my 4. This is again 1, this is 1 by 4 part. So what we're trying to do here is, we are adding 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. If you are adding 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, we are actually doing what? 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. We are trying to combine these shaded parts, or these two together becomes 2 into 1 by 4. That is nothing but the half. So this is showing the half. This is 2 by 4 only, means this is what? This is half of this one. This is half of this one. So this is 2 by 4 of the circle. How about this? This is half. This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. If you combine them, it becomes half. So what you are doing? 2 into 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4 part. This gives you 1 by 4. 1 by 2. So this is the half part. Come here. This is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. You add this 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. You get what? 3 by 4. And this is again 3 by 4 part of this 1. If this is considered to be 1, this is the 3 by 4. The shaded portion is the 3 by 4 part of 1. How about this? This is nothing but you have 9 parts. So this is 2 by 9. This is 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Add 2 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 9. What it gives you? 6 by 9. This gives you 6 by 9. And this is what? These are 9. Shaded portion are 6. 6 by 9. So these are equal. Right? So how we have done this? What we have done here? We have simply multiplied 2 by 9 3 times. It gives you 6 by 9. So 3.5 means you are multiplying the half parts 3 times. You are multiplying 2 by third parts 5 times. So what you have done? 5 into 2 by 3. This is equivalent to 5 into 2 by 3. So anything comes like here is nothing but you just have to take the denominator as 1 for the whole number and multiply the numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 5 into 10, this is 10 by 3. 8 is a 24, this is 24 by 7. 7 for the 28, this is 28 by 5. So to multiply a whole number with a proper or improper fraction, we just need to multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. There will be no change in the denominator. You just have to multiply the numerator by the whole number. We can try this. Let us take this. This is nothing but take 6 by 1. 6 9s are 54 by 6. I hope you can represent this pictorially. You have to just take one part, divide, just shade 2 part. That will be take 5 part. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Shade 2 parts. Make 2 of these. Shade 2 parts. And if you eventually add these, you'll get 4 by 5. So to multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number, you have to convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction, and then you can multiply. 3 into 2 5 by 7. 3 into 2 5 by 7. That doesn't mean you multiply 3 into 2, then you multiply this. No. First you have to convert this into the improper fraction, because this is eventually improper fraction only. This will be 7 into 2, 19 by 7. Now you multiply with the whole number, 57 by 7. Now you can convert again back. Again here you have to convert this 5 4 20 plus 2, 22 by 2. Now multiply 2 into 22, 44 by 5. How about half? When you say half of 1. 1 by 3 of 10. What it means? This of, let us say, this is half of 1. This is half of 1. What is this? Half of 2. So this becomes 1. So half of 2 is nothing but half into 2. What is this? This is half of 1, half of 1, half of 1. What this becomes? This is half of 3. So what you eventually are doing is, you are trying to find out half of 3. Half of 3 is nothing but half of 3 means multiplication. So this is nothing but multiplication. Of means multiplication. Whenever the question is being asking half of what, half of this is what, you multiply it. So Farida has 20 marbles. Reshma has 1/5 of the number of marbles. 120 of 1 by 5 is nothing but 20 and 1 by 5. How many marbles Reshma has? 5 4 20. Reshma has 4 marbles. Half of 20 is 4. Half of 16 is 2 8 is 16, 8. Half of 10 is 5. 1 by 4 of 16 is 4. 2 by 5 of 25 is 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. This is 10. Okay. Now in a class, 40 students, 1 by 5 of total number of students likely to study English. So how 1 by 5 of 40 English. So how much it becomes? 5 into 40, 80 English. 2 by 5 of the total number likely to study mathematics. So 2 by 5 of 40. So 2 by 5 into 40, 5 into 40, 8 to the 16. 16 are mathematics. And the remaining students like to study science. So English, 1 by 5 of 40. Then the second one, 2 by 5 of 40, we just found out as 16. So this is 16. Now 8 and 16, they are for maths and English. So 8 plus 16 is was 24. Total is 40. 40 minus 24 is for remaining are science. 40 minus 24, that is 16. 40 minus 24, that is going to be 16. This 16 are for science. So this 16, and we have to find the fraction of the total number. So 16 by total 40. This is the fraction which would like to study science. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. This is quite simple. When you multiply a fraction by a fraction, you just have to multiply the numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. This will be 9 into 1. This will be 2 into 4, 8. So this will be 1 into 1, 3 to the 6. Okay. Just consider this. You are taking this part. This is, if this is 1, this will be 1 by 3. This is half of, this is again 1 by half of 1 by 3. This is 1 by third part, this is half of 1 by 3. So this is what? 3 by 2. Okay. Let me tell you, not 3 by 2. This is half of 1 by 3. This is 1 by 6th part. So this is 1 by 6th part. Just ignore this. So 1 by 6th part. So eventually what you find here is that you are multiplying the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. This is what you have to do. So every time when you have two fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, because you are finding the part of a part. 1 by 5 of half. 1 by 5 of half is what? 1 by 10. Okay. 1 by 7 of 1 by 5 is what? 1 into 1 by 7 5 is 35. So 1 by 7th part of 1 by 5 is 1 by 35th part. Okay. Sushant reads 1 by 3rd part of a book in 1 hour. In 1 hour, 1 by 3rd part he reads. How much part of the book will he read in 1 by 5 hours? Which is 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. 1 hour, 1 by 3. 11 by 5, how much? 1 by 3 by 1 into 11 by 5. So you just have to multiply these two. 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 5, that is 11 by 5 into 1 by 3, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, 11 by 15. This is your answer. How about this? 5 into 1, 2 into 3. This is how you find out. So what you are trying to do here is, you are trying to find the part of a part, and that will only be computed when you multiply these two, numerator, denominator, denominator. Say 3 into 1, 7 5 is 35. So what we eventually found is, we find that we multiply two fractions, product of numerators and product of denominators. This is eventual thing. Value of the products. So we have seen that when we talk about whole numbers, we can easily find out which is bigger, which is smaller. Okay. So when we multiply two fractions, which will be bigger, which will be smaller. Let us consider this. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. This gives 8 by 15. So 8 by 15 is less than 2 by 3 and 8 by 15 is less than 4 by 5 also. Why? The question arises why? Because these both are proper fraction. When you multiply two proper fraction, the value result will be less than both of these. 1 by 5, 2 by 7, these both are proper fractions. When you multiply, this becomes 2 by 35. 2 by 35 is less than 2 by 7, 2 by 35 is less than 1 by 5. I hope you got the idea. When you multiply like this, let me conclude this. When two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is always less than the fractions involved. Okay. So now we go to improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is bigger. Proper fraction is numerator should be lower than the denominator. Improper fraction means the numerator should be greater than the denominator. Here the numerator is bigger than the denominator in both the cases. When you multiply 7 into 5, 3 into 6, 35 by 6. This is greater than 5 by 2, this is greater than 7 by 3. So when you multiply the improper fractions, it is greater than each of the two fractions. You can try it out. So what we got? Value of product of two improper function is more than each of the two fractions. This you have to understand. So this